The Arthur Barnwell House, which is also known as the Barnwell-DeCamps House, is a Queen Anne house in Greer, South Carolina that was built in the period 1880 to 1900. It was named to the National Register of Historic Places on 1982. As of 2013, the house was in the process of being moved and rebuilt at a new location. The house was built for the first president of Pelham Manufacturing Company, Arthur Barnwell, on the banks of the NRA River. The ruins of Pelham Mill and the Pelham Mill Village are on the opposite side of the river. It was believed to be built sometime between 1880 and 1900. It has been disassembled in ca 2015 and the parts are now forgotten and rotting on a location at Abner Creek Road. The original location is now a leveled and barren lot 2. The house is a wood frame, 2.5-story Queen Anne house. Its irregular plan has bays projecting toward the southwest and northeast sides. The kitchen is a 1-story L on the northwest side. The residence has shiplap siding. The steep, gabled roof has composition shingles over the original metal roof. References